These are the 4 personality traits that make any woman obsessed with you, bro. The first one is purpose. Purpose is life as a man, bro. With your purpose, it just tells that you have direction and knows that you know where you're going. Hey, so you're talking to a girl, right? And she asks you, oh, what do you want to do? What do you want to be? She's asking to see what you're going to say. And a lot of guys are like, oh, I don't know. Like, I'm not sure. No purpose. When you answer, you should say something that's ambitious, something that you're trying to achieve, even if it's opening a business to owning a taco shop. It don't matter what it is. It's the fact that you driving and pushing towards something. This turns girls on. This is a trait that girls love because it shows that you ain't gonna get complacent if you ain't in a relationship with her. You're never gonna just get satisfied. You're always gonna continually try to elevate yourself as a man. That's something every girl likes because a lot of guys don't have any purpose. The next thing, bro, is keeping your composure, bro. You gotta chill, fam. Like, y'all get around girls and I see a lot of guys just try to act like they Batman all of a sudden, like the Joker around the corner. Oh, Joker. Oh, what's up, man? Oh, what you trying to, like, people trying to get mad and start fights for no reason. It's nothing to be a big deal about because there's 2 cute girls over here, you starting to act all tough and crazy. If you really tough, you don't gotta act tough. There's nothing to do that for, bro. And a lot of guys fall under this trap and they think that this is turning girls on and is doing the opposite. Because the guys that do this, everyone knows they're insecure. Everyone knows they're doing it for approval. They the only ones that don't know that. They ain't getting no cool points. They getting L points. It can be even your own homies, bro. They trying to do backhanded compliments to you because some girls around you. You gotta be able to situate things, bro. But you can't situate things when your emotions are all the way up here. When you all the way up here, when you wildin', bro, you can't even think straight. Think about it. When is the last time you get really mad and you think straight at the same time? You don't. You don't think straight. And that's what's gonna make you make stupid decisions too. And girl don't wanna be with no guy that's making stupid decisions. No guy that's gonna get them in trouble. They need someone they can depend on. Someone that can hold things down. That's why you gotta have your composure, bro, as a man. Next trait is integrity. You gotta be able to be real with yourself. Stand 10 toes, bro. Girls will have conflicting beliefs with you. Sometimes a girl don't like the same artist as you. That don't mean you gonna, oh yeah, you right. Maybe that artist's not that good. You got no integrity, bro. You got no nuts. Cause you can't even hold down your belief cause it contradicts with the other girl. The girl ain't even gonna be attracted to you if you agree with everything she say. Girls like a guy that can have something that they agree differently with them about. They hold their own principles. So even if you're on a date with a girl, pray before you eat the meal. Don't change up. Jesus, ultimate, had integrity. Stood on his principles when they hung him on the cross. What do you gonna stand for as a man? If you can't have integrity, if you can't just say what you believe, you can't stand on anything, you can't stand on a favorite TV show topic that you believe in, how you gonna stand on anything else as a man? How can she trust you if you gonna fold? All the leaders, bro, what do they have in power? All these male leaders, they have integrity, bro. 4th trait you need is being carefree, bro. Y'all gotta understand is a lot of people care about what everyone else thinks. That's like most people. You think people care about what you're doing, but really they don't because they so obsessed with how other people think of them. No one really care what you do, bro. Literally, before I made this YouTube channel, one thing I used to be thinking is, what's people gonna say when I post video? Oh, what's gonna happen when I do this? Whole time, as soon as I post a video, nobody cared, bro. Y'all got these imaginary spotlights in your head, bro. And this was stopping you from doing what you wanna do in life in general. But when you become this person, like, y'all, skip what this man talking about, forget what he thinking, I'm gonna do what I wanna do. I started having this energy of being carefree, this freedom, this space. And all the girls started flocking to me. Why? Because they long for this feeling. It's like when you ever hang around somebody and they got this good vibes, they got this good feeling, and you're like, dang, bro, I don't know what it is about this person, but they make me feel good. It's because they got this vibe. And your energy, what you put in, that radiates out to everyone around you, bro. So when you got this is what people be drawn to because they like that feeling you can give them. And when you can get this out, women are gonna like you, bro, because you so different. You so different from everyone else. Straight up. And a bonus trait you need, bro, you gotta be a good texter. You wanna work on how you can text these girls better, click on this video right here. And I'm gonna catch you in this next video, all right? I'll see you.